We see Bitcoin right now in a correction. We see right now a potential dump incoming. However, the relief rally has not ended, in my opinion. This is the first thing what we will speak about. And the second thing is we will speak about the potential 100x RE coin. No, this is not, how it's called. Yes, you know it. No, this is a real potential 100x project because it has only a market cap of around 20 million, which makes the project highly risky, but also potentially highly reward. This is what we will speak about, bratans. However, everything in this video, you have to do your own research. Nothing is sponsored, so I'm not sponsored by this video, by this project, by this IE project. I did my own research. We did this in the Telegram group, so we will speak about. Let's now, bratans, and start with Bitcoin right now because I'm already, wait a minute, let me quickly go here in our Telegram group, which is, by the way, absolutely for free, Bratan. I told you already here today in the morning that we breaking here this yellow line to the downside, and I told you the price tags are 22,550, 20,050, and 19,500. And let us quickly show in the detail, and also we will see the big picture because the relief rally, in my opinion, has not come to an end. So as I told you yesterday, we broke down here this yellow line to the downside, and as we broke it to the downside, I jumped into a short, and in my opinion it's still a short opportunity with a very tight stop loss. So here I show you the short opportunity. I mean, if we are jumping even right now in the short and we set a stop loss, let's say above this white line, above 23,400, and set our price target here. The first price target is, like I told you, 21, I would say 21,600. Then a risk reward ratio is 1.7%. The second price target would be around 20,050. So here is the risk reward ratio much better, 4.1%. And then the last price target would be around 19,500. So around 4.9 risk reward ratio. This is really amazing in my opinion. So this is a short position which I jumped in, and here I show you also my short position. I did a very cautious short position with 23,000 with $24,000 in contract size. Right now I 13% profit, $63 in profits, and I'm watching for a price tag of 20,050, like I told you, right? So also, I show you here my big trade, bratans, because I have also a long-term long position because, like I told you, the relief rally has not come to an end, and this is the reason why I'm still in my long-term long. You see, estimate liquidation price is at 70,500. I don't think that we will reach it, so therefore I still in my long. I still here around $10,000 in profits. And let us quickly watch why I thinking we are. So right now, like I told you, it's clear short opportunity in my opinion. As soon as we're breaking this white line to the upside, it's again a long opportunity with the price target, with the first price target of here 24,400, 4.3% long opportunity as soon as we're breaking this white line to the upside. So why it's a long opportunity? Because it's very clear, bratans, on the big picture, on the weekly, if we are watching, we are still if we're zooming in here in a clear relief rally to the upside, and you see it's very healthy that we see here a cool down. I mean, this we had the first week, and right now the second week, we will see how we will close it. It's the week just begun, and if we even see here to 19,500, you see it's clear still higher highs and higher lows. So in my opinion, this is still in a clear, very healthy cool down to see small cool down in order to see some push to the upside. And like I told you, the relief rally I expecting to go to between 25k. You see here's coming big resistance between 25k and even 35k. Here see big resistance coming here at 35k from this white line, like I explained to you yesterday. If you want a detailed video, watch yesterday's video. I explained to you in detail. I don't want to make you boring, right? That this is boring. So in my opinion, very clear. Also, let us quickly watch here in the total crypto market cap. Very important to watch to understand what is happening here. And you see here, it's still very healthy. If we're watching here on the daily and we're zooming in, you see here, total crypto market cap touch point 1, 2, 3, and here fourth we want to touch it. Even if we're going here to a little below $1 trillion market cap, it's still very healthy. But that's why it's still very healthy. Again, we have to zoom out in order to understand it. On the weekly, you see here, we perfectly found the bottom. Like I told you, if you watch my videos, this was the how we could identify the bottom, because we watched the total crypto market cap, and I told you as soon we are touching the total crypto market from the previous bull market, 2017, 2018. Here you see that was our sign for the bottom, and then the relief rally started. Not the bull run, the relief rally, because after the relief rally, we see some dump, and 2024, 2025, we will see the relief rally after the halving, right? So right now, even if we are retesting the white line, or in the worst case, the yellow line at $820 billion total crypto market, would be still very healthy. And also what is very healthy and speaks for this relief rally is the oil price, bratans, because we had here some fake out where I was a little bit concerned, because if the oil price going up, then the product price going up, the inflation goes up. But if the oil price is dumping, the product's getting cheaper, and obviously the inflation is going down, and the stock market and crypto prices will go up. So we have to have we have to have a cheap oil price in order to have to see Bitcoin and Bitcoin and stocks pumping. So therefore we broke it down. You see, oil is getting cheaper and cheaper. This is very bullish for crypto and Bitcoin and stocks at whole. So in my opinion, very healthy. Also another indicator which we have to watch to understand what's happening with Bitcoin is the S&P 500, and you see it's so healthy. It's really, man, I cannot imagine. In my opinion, no panic at all. You see here perfectly, seems like we're forming here cup and handle. Not the beautifulest one, but I mean, we are retesting here this white line, this yellow line. You see here, it was previously resistance. Here's third resistance. We broke it to the upside. Right now we are retesting it, and this is amazing. I mean, it's beautiful. You see here, the CI didn't redraw the line. So either we see here bounce and see the relief rally of S&P 500 and the S&P 500 rally, then we see Bitcoin rally, or maybe we break it down here to the downside. Das Suka, blad. We break it to the downside, retesting this white line, and then see the relief rally to the upside. So in my opinion, still everything is very healthy. No panic at all. Yes, we can make profits on our short. However, everything looks very bullish. You see, we broke down here this massive resistance line, which is over 2 years old, since December 2021. We broke it to the upside. Everything very bullish still, in my opinion. I mean, if we break it again to the downside, this would be horrible. Then we are in a clear downtrend. Then we will see Bitcoin to 15K back, or even to 10K. But right now, the relief rally continues. This is everything very, very healthy, in my opinion, bratans. So therefore, if you want to know what is happening with my short position, or if you want to know what I will do with my long position further, or when I'm closing my short, because the short is really a day trade, I will either close it today, depends where Bitcoin go, or tomorrow, because I don't expect that Bitcoin will see a big breakdown. I'm expecting maybe to 19,500, but then we will see the relief rally to the upside. However, not a financial advice, do your own research. But if you want to learn more about crypto, bratan, absolutely for free, you can get it on my Discord channel. There's a crypto trading course for free. And also, like, if you want to have more information, my Telegram group, for example, about our e-coins and so on and so on, bratans, here you can also join it very, very easy. I explain you, it's only 2 steps here. Link in the description. Go, it's 2 steps. Make registration on Bybit through my link here. The second step is deposit $500 on your Bybit account. You can use it for trading, you can use it for investing, you can just transfer it back on your other account or however, and then you get the free access to my Discord and Telegram channel. And on Discord channel you have this free crypto trading course, and on the Telegram channel you get free signals or what I'm doing with my trade and so on. And I have also another Telegram channel, but this more for professionals. There we are doing deep research on different hidden projects. We do big reports and so on and so on. This for monthly payment of $30 right now. I think we will increase it because we have a really big team working on it. But this you don't need. This more for professional traders. So now let us speak about this AI coin, which could do potentially 100x, bratans. And this coin called DBC, Deep Brain deep brain chain. And last week we introduced it, by the way, in our private Telegram group, bratans. And you see it did since last week over 100%, man. This is crazy. And I wrote today, at which time? Today in the morning. Here you see at when I wrote you at 7:46 in the morning, 7:46 a.m. I wrote you, and the price of DBC was at 0.006. And let us quickly watch together what is the price right now. Where's DBC? Wait a minute here. 0.006, and I'm not sponsored by this project, bratans. We really did our own research, and since 006, I wrote you in my Telegram group, and since then it made only today again over 25% in profits. So this is amazing, bratans. I also invested in this project. Not in seed or not paid, bratans. I'm not making advertisement. Today just throw money in also, and I wrote you also that I invested in, I inform you about it. And alone today we did, while Bitcoin dumping, 25% on this coin. However, be very careful, because this project has only market cap of around 20 million, which you have to understand, it doesn't matter the price if it's $10 or 1 cent. It depends on the market cap. And for example, the market cap of Agix, this another big AI coin which we spoke about, is right now around 400 million. So potentially DBC has 20 million, so potentially it can do only to reach Agix around around 20x, only to reach Agix. We're not speaking about the graph and so on and so on. So this is a project definitely to watch and to do your own research on it, but I'm very important because it's not a financial advice. And we saw this project, why I getting interested in this project, why we did in this private also Telegram group a big research on it, because this project even outperformed Agix. I mean, if you watch here, it did right now over 1,500% since the bottom, and Agix did only, Agix did, I mean, not only Agix did also crazy percentage, Agix did only 800%. I mean, it outperformed by 800% Agix. So this is amazing, bratans. So watch out for this project. Do your own research. It's absolutely not a financial advice, and this is a very highly risky investment, because only 20 million market. However, the potential is even bigger, right? So do your own research, because also this project can go to zero. I'm not invested in a seed round, or it's not advertisement for this project. They don't pay me anything. Everything I show you, it's my own research or from my team, bratan, and you have also do your own research. If I'm getting paid by a project, I would always say you. So, bratans, if you have any questions, I see you in the Telegram group and answering there your questions, and you see also what I'm doing here with this, with my short position and with my long position, bratans. I kiss you and I see you later. Mwah.